This video is going to show you how simple it is to install the Eveready Rechargeable fan RF05. Let's go ahead and unpack the fan from its case. We have got base unit, main stand, motor frame fixing screw, main stand fixing knob, back guard fixing knob, fan blade fixing knob, fan blade, back guard, front guard, guard strap, power cable. Installation guidelines. Follow all the steps of installation instruction. Step 1. Take the base unit and main stand. Step 2. Insert main stand in slot of base unit. Step 3. Fix main stand firmly on base unit using main stand fixing knob. Step 4. Take the motor frame and connect wire socket of motor frame with wire socket of main stand. Step 5. Place motor frame firmly on the main stand and fix it by tightening the two motor frame fixing screws provided. Step 6. Place back guard properly and fix it by tightening the back guard fixing knob clockwise. Step 7. Install the blade onto the motor shaft by aligning D-slot and pushing blade further until it reaches the retaining boss on shaft. Screw the fan blade fixing knob counterclockwise for tightening the blade firmly. Step 8. Press the plastic guard strap against the back guard and align the front guard on the same. Secure front and back guard firmly using guard strap. Step 9. Charge fan for 12 hours, initially using power cable, and your fan is now ready for use. Thanks for your time and interest. Visit us at www.evereadyindustries.com.